Right now I have the globular cluster M2 in the constellation Aquarius in the eyepiece of my telescope. I'm using my 30mm 2-inch wide field view eyepiece that came with the Apertura telescope. And I'm going to do a sketch of this, but first let's have a look at where it's located in the night sky and then we'll get on with the sketch. M2 is a globular cluster with a magnitude of 6.3 in the constellation Aquarius, located 5 degrees north of the star Beta Aquarii. This globular cluster sits at a distance of 37,500 light-years from Earth. On a scale of class 1 to class 10 from concentrated to diffuse, this cluster is a class 2, making its 175 light-year diameter even more impressive. Messier 2 is an old globular cluster associated with the Milky Way galaxy, with an estimated age of 13 billion years, meaning it formed when the universe was only 6% of its current age of 13.8 billion years. Now that we know where we're looking, let's get on with the sketch. I'm going to start this sketch off by placing down just a little bit of a glow right about where I'm going to put the stars of this globular cluster. After putting down the glow, I'm just going to use the stippling technique to just randomly place stars into where this glow is to kind of represent what this globular cluster looks like. Overall, the field of view, not a lot of stars. These stars are, there are some bright stars, like compared to the globular cluster, they're bright, but overall they're not like, nothing's forming diffraction spikes on this Newtonian telescope, so they're not super bright. Overall though, this globular cluster is really nice. Anyway, that about wraps up the sketch. Let's have a look at the final drawing.